Since 1938, Oris has built the Big Crown into a cornerstone of pilot's watch design. In 2025, that legacy takes a bold new turn with the Big Crown Calibre 113 business calendar, a fusion of aviation heritage and one of Oris's most advanced in-house movements. At 43 millimeters, the stainless steel case preserves the oversized crown and utilitarian ergonomics of the originals, while a domed sapphire crystal and sapphire display back reveal its modern craftsmanship. The dial is anything but traditional, mint green with striking pink accents. A full 52-week business calendar runs around the periphery, tracked by a central pointer hand. Day and date windows anchor the top and bottom, with small seconds at 9 o'clock, and at 3, the non-linear 10-day power reserve. As the mainspring winds down, the scale stretches, giving finer precision when you need it most. Inside beats the Oris Calibre 113, a hand-wound movement from the Oris 100 family. With a single, oversized barrel, it delivers a remarkable 240-hour power reserve. Beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour, it offers stop seconds precision, and every calendar function, day, date, month, and week of the year, is adjusted via the crown. Completing the package is a stainless steel multi-link bracelet with a folding clasp, designed in-house for both comfort and durability. Available from September 2025, priced at 6,350 Swiss francs, the Oris Big Crown Calibre 113 proves that a serious business calendar doesn't have to be serious in style. Bold, functional, and unmistakably Oris.